Speaking of sprayers helping with the process and making it faster, here's some important tips in regards to spraying with an air compressor. Making sure your equipment is well maintained is a vital part to keeping things running smoothly. I'll show you this here real quick. In between spraying stuff, waiting on, I've got about a 30-minute wait time between the first stuff I sprayed being dry and getting ready to start in again. I have actually only ever cleaned this air filter a couple times, which is bad on me. Pop that thing off here a second. So we're going to clean this out. A little too floppy. Push that back in there, like so. Okay, so something important with air compressors is to make sure that you're regularly draining the tank. And the reason for that is you get condensation buildup over time just because of the way that the motor on the compressor works. Also, if it's really humid, that amplifies that issue. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this because I don't want to get water all over my feet. And now that's quieted down a little bit. There's not much water came out this time around. That's because I just did it 3 days ago. You don't want water in the bottom of your tank because it's going to get in the air line if you're spraying finish. You don't want water in your finish. And there we go. And you don't want it rushing out the bottom of your tank. As you can see, there's going to be some residual rust, but you don't want to get any rust holes in your tank. So that is how we avoid that issue, is by draining that periodically and more frequently if we're using it a lot. I will say this has been a great air compressor. This is the 21-gallon from Harbor Freight, oil-free motor. Take you around here, show you on the side. I really do need to get a bigger air compressor because I was looking at this the other day, and it gives you a list of tools that it's compatible with. And HVLP spray gun is what we use. Not recommended. Why is that? Because it requires too much air pressure, and it's going to keep that motor running and put a lot of strain on it. However, that being said, I have used the living snot out of this thing, and it has not quit on me yet. So, it's been pretty solid for me. Don't know. We don't get any sponsorships from Harbor Freight, but if you're looking for an air compressor, maybe this will fit you what you need.